Welcome to Rudy Luther Toyota in Golden Valley. My name is Megan Frost and I'm standing next to the newly refreshed 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This is the TRD off-road trim level. However, no matter which trim level you choose, you're getting a very capable small truck. Let's take a look at the front here. We have a 3.5 liter engine, V6, also 278 horsepower. Now new for this year, we have the Toyota Safety Sense. You're gonna see the sensor there underneath the emblem, as well as up there in the windshield as well. That's for the pedestrian detection. We can go over some of those safety features when you come in. LED lights. Toyota Tacoma does have 6 trim levels, and 3 of them have the available manual transmission, and that would be TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, and of course, if you want to get a little bit fancy, the TRD Pro as well. Inside, we have the leather, black leather heated seats, as well as the JBL sound system, and an 8-inch touchscreen. We can go over that when we climb inside. Lots of space up there. Back here, plenty of space for your passengers, as well as this unique little cubby here with a lid. You can flip that up. The jack is in there. You could do the same with the other side, and it has a cubby as well with a lid. You can hide your things in there. Now, what's unique to this truck is this is a long bed, and you can also get it in a short bed as well. We have the TRD badging there. Standard backup camera here, and parking sonars here. We also have the tow hitch here. Now that is a 6,500 towing capacity, which is the max for Tacoma, and this truck has it. This is a removable and lockable tailgate with a slow release here. This is the composite bed with the 2-tier ability. You can put some plywood in here and just trail it across. We have the deck rail system here with the adjustable cleats as well. Power outlet with 400 watts. And this truck does have that power back window as well. Now this is the 16-inch TRD off-road alloy wheel exclusive for this trim level. And over here we have the blind spot monitoring and also that smart key system, so you can just lock it or just go ahead and open it. Now new for this year, and we've all been waiting for this a very long time, we now have a driver's seat that is powered. So a power driver's seat with that lumbar. Also, we have the traction control and the camera view button here, along with the bed light switch as well. Now here we are inside the TRD off-road trim level. Now all of the trim levels are going to look fairly similar with just a few unique changes. If you're looking for something a little bit more luxurious, take a look at our limited Tacoma. This one is the off-road, so you're gonna see some features in this truck that you're not going to see in our other trucks. Up here we have our sunroof. We have our safety connect, as well as this is what's going to be different because this is the off-road trim level. We're going to have the multi-terrain select up here for rock, dirt, sand, and with the crawl mode up here as well. We have the auto dimming mirror with the 3 garage options, as well as an 8-inch touchscreen. Standard is the 7-inch, but this one has the upgraded package, so you're getting the JBL sound system with that 8-inch touchscreen. We do have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa compatibility, and we have the heated seats and dual zone climate control. There's a lot of buttons down here. Let's go over those real quick. You can turn off your blind spot monitoring here. We've got our electric power button here. You can turn on or off your parking sensors here. We do have for that rear power window, which is really nice. We do have the USB ports as well as the Qi charging station for compatible phones. This is our automatic transmission with the ability to shift manually here with our sport option. However, don't forget we do have the manual transmission available in the TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, and TRD Pro. And here we've got a ton of space. And then up here to the steering wheel, on the left here we have our audio and phone controls. And on the right here we have our dynamic cruise control and our lane departure alert buttons. We can turn those on or off. That's part of our new Toyota Safety Sense for Tacoma this year. And then up here in the driver infotainment center, we have information, how many miles you have left until empty. Let's go back here. Navigation, our radio. A lot of the same information you can get over here is over here, as well as the ability to turn on and off some of those safety options for Toyota Safety Sense. If you have any questions or if I've missed anything, please give us a call or click rudyluthertoyota.com.